Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I will show you guys the tutorial how to cancel any subscription on your Google Play rather than on your phone. Here on PC or laptop, you could cancel any subscription. So it's very simple. You just go to play.google.com. It will be like this. The homepage will be like this, and then you go to the right up corner on your profile here, and then you can see payment and subscription. This is the same page when you open it on your Android or your phone. So when I open it, it will be listed on the subscription tab that all my subscription. And for this one, deep stash, I don't know, I just got ads, and just click and try the trial, and then I want to cancel it because I don't like the product. Just click manage, and then you can cancel subscription like that, as simple as that. And then I found a better app, blah blah blah. It's up to you. I think I don't use this service enough. Click continue, and then just keep cancel subscription. Okay, that's it. Very simple. And then now already unsubscribed to this apps. So that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.